Hey, how y'all doing? It's me, Pappy Prepper, and I'm happy to be here at Prepper Camp 2019. Now, I have a little ditty I wrote. Hope you enjoy it. If you don't, keep it to yourself. Okay, here we go. The song is called A Few of Our Prepper Camp Things. It's a cappella, so if I get out of tune, keep it to yourself. All right, here we go. Raindrops on tent tops and campsites with fires. Camo-clad campers slosh through muck and mire. A huge vendor village with gear that it brings. These are a few of our prepper camp things. Ways to store water and defensive shooting. Grow secret gardens and stop folks from looting. Cooking and canning and bees with their stings. These are a few of our prepper camp things. When the sun sets on the food trucks, standing in line to pee, I simply give praise to Survivor Jane and Rick the cheapest OB. Hey, welcome to Prepper Camp 2019. I told you, didn't I? I told you.